Writing a business plan for an online business is crucial for outlining your goals, defining your strategies, and attracting potential investors or partners. Here are the basics you should consider when creating a business plan for your online venture. Start with the executive summary. Briefly describe your business idea, mission, and objectives. Provide an overview of your business concept and what sets it apart from competitors. And summarize your financial projections and funding requirements. Next is to create a detailed business description. Detail your business concept, including the products or services you offer. Explain a target audience, market, and industry. Discuss your unique selling proposition, also known as USP, and how you will fulfill customer needs. Market research is the next important step to take in building your business plan. Conduct market research to understand your target audience, industry trends, and competitors. Provide data on the size of your target market and your market share projections. Analyze your competitors, their strengths, weaknesses, and market positioning. Moving on, we now cover the organization and management of the business. Outline your business structure, for example, LLC, corporation, and the key team members. Describe the roles and responsibilities of each team member. Discuss your advisors, mentors, or other support networks. And remember, each of these steps are very important to creating a solid business plan. Products and service lines. Detail your products or services, including their features and benefits. Explain the development stage, if applicable, and any intellectual property you own. Describe your suppliers and their service. Now on to sales and marketing. Outline your sales strategy, including online marketing, advertising, and sales channels. Define your pricing strategy and any discounts or promotions you plan to offer. Describe your customer acquisition and retention plans. Another important section of the business plan is to outline an in-depth, detailed funding request. Specify the amount of funding you need and how you will use the funds. Provide a breakdown of the funding requirements, such as marketing, technology, or inventory. Explain the expected ROI for investors. You might be asking, how am I supposed to remember all of this? Well, here is a list of everything we have covered in the business plan so far. You can rewind, pause, or take screenshots at any time for your records. We have 2 more sections of the business plan to cover. I will leave a list of all the sections of the entire business plan template we have gone over at the end of the video. Feel free to screenshot or write it down if you like. The next section is financial projections. Include detailed financial forecasts, including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Provide projections for the next 5 years, showing revenue, expenses, and net income. Include key financial metrics like break-even analysis and return on investment, ROI. The last section is the Appendix Section. A business plan appendix is a supplementary final section that provides additional documents and validation that your business plan is on point. Include any additional documents or information that support your business plan, such as market research data, resumes of key team members, or letters of support from potential customers or partners. Remember, a well-researched and thought-out business plan can serve as a roadmap for your online business, helping you make informed decisions and navigate challenges effectively. It's essential to keep your business plan updated as your business evolves, and to adjust your strategies based on market feedback and changing circumstances. Stay tuned, or subscribe to this channel. New videos for this series will be released in the coming days and weeks. If you have missed any of the first few videos, I would suggest going back and watching them too. Thank you for watching.